Let's go with the core components. What is the core components? If you have something, a product in your hand, there are some internally the core components, right? The same way in the Snowflake, we have the four core components. So one is something like the cloud storage is the default thing, right? So, and next one is the components. The next one is the compute, which is like a processing. If you see the storage thing, I like the Snowflake storage combination, how it is going to work. It is actually storing as a compressed format internally, and it is a columnar storage. As I said before, it is going to handle structured, unstructured, and semi-structured data. So, and all the data, whatever you're playing, everything is encrypted. So whenever data ingest into the Snowflake storage, Snowflake is automatically organize the storage based on like what cloud service you selected, like AWS or Azure or Google. For example, if you say AWS, it is going to use the S3 storage. Suppose if you selected Azure storage, which is like Azure Blob, and which is a blue, if you go with the Google, you have a Google Cloud storage, right? So that is the way they integrate internally. And coming to the computing, these two are the heart of the any product, right? Storage and process. So next one is the process, which is like compute. The compute layers of process, this is a layer, this is the component where you can process all your queries. We have everything is the virtual warehouses in the compute. Like it means it's a fully independent clusters. You can scale up. If you got requirement, you can scale up automatically. If there is no use, scale down automatically. And it's not about like single warehouse, it's a multiple warehouses. That's why I put the picture here, multiple warehouses here. These multiple warehouses can operate simultaneously. So without any performance degradation, the query can run with a high concurrency. That is the best features we have in the computing, like auto scaling, concurrency handling, task segregations, everything easy to handle in the Snowflake side. On the cloud services, as said, cloud services, it is going to provide all the functionality and orchestration of the Snowflake, like metadata management. And we have features, as I said, the uh, time travel, which is nothing but like you can get your data, go back and get your data, and you can query optimizations, authentication and security with the multi-factors and role-based access, query optimizations, and infrastructure management is all everything provided by this cloud service core component. And then last, an important one, and this is today our main discussion, is called the Snow